In this video, we are going to see how we can add your name pronunciation in Facebook easily. You don't have to write that name pronunciation. It already have a couple of options on how your name can be pronounced. And this is especially very useful if your pronunciation is very interesting or different, that many of the people misspell or mispronounce that name. So you head over to the profile and you click on the About section. And from here, we click on the names at the bottom and click on the name pronunciation. Click on this and it will show you different options. So this
Nadine.
This will
Sad.
this will spell
Nadine.
So this will spell
Nadine.
it like this. You can add that and you can write your own version of pronunciation, and let's see how it sounds.
Sod.
So this is nice. This is best.
Sod Nadim.
And this is the final preview of it. Click save. And that's basically how you can add the pronunciation of your name. So whenever someone visits this, they should be able to hear how it should be pronounced.
Sod Nadim.
Like this. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.